Hello, my friends. Today we talk about something easy and important, starting to speak English at home. Yes, you can do it. Your home is your classroom. You don't need a teacher, a big class, or a textbook to start. You just need a little time and a little courage. Let's begin together. When I was younger, I didn't go to school to learn English. I stayed at home. I looked at the things around me and said their names. I said, "This is a bed. That is a window. Here is my phone." I talked to myself every day. It felt strange at first, but after some time it felt good. You can do this too. Look around your home. What do you see? A spoon, a book, a bag. Say the names out loud. Don't be shy. Let your voice help your brain remember the words. When you say something, your brain works harder to keep it. Speaking helps you remember. Try this. Open your fridge. Say, "There is milk. There are eggs. I drink juice." You can make many small sentences every day. These small sentences are very powerful. They build your English step by step. Let's ask some questions now. Where is your bag? What is on the table? How many cups are in the kitchen? These questions are simple, but they help you practice speaking and thinking in English. If you don't know the answer, that's okay. Look, speak, learn. Do you want to talk more? Great. Talk to yourself in the mirror. I do it too. Say, "Hello, how are you?" Then answer, "I am fine, thank you." Play both sides, be the question and the answer. It might feel funny, but it helps. It helped me a lot. You can also sing English songs at home. Start with easy songs. Sing with the music. This helps you say new words and hear the sounds better. I sang children's songs every morning. My favorite was "Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star." What will your favorite be? Did you ever think about making labels? Take paper and write door or mirror or chair. Stick these on the objects. When you walk around your house, read them. Say the word again and again. This is a fun way to remember things. Let's do one more thing. Try to make a list. What do you use every day? Maybe phone, keys, bag, shoes, spoon. Write these down. Then make a sentence for each. I use my phone. I put on my shoes. I carry my bag. You might feel unsure at first. You might say, "Can I really do this?" Yes, you can. I did it, and many others did too. You just need to try, make one small step, then another. You will be surprised. In 1 week you will know many words. In 1 month you will speak many sentences. In 1 year you will talk with people in English. Let's keep it simple, but let's keep going. Speak today. Speak tomorrow. Speak at home. This is how you win. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Say it with me. I can speak English. Good job. Now let's talk about using English every day in your real life. You don't need to go far. Just start where you are, at home, in your kitchen, in your room, in your garden. Every small action is a chance to use English. You might ask, what can I say? Let's find out. First, think about your daily routine. What do you do in the morning? You wake up, you brush your teeth, you eat breakfast. Now let's say these in English. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat bread. You can say these words out loud every day. Let's do more. What do you do after breakfast? Do you clean? Say, I clean the table. Do you wash clothes? Say, I wash my shirt. These are normal things, but when you say them in English, you learn and remember. You can also ask questions. What time is it? Where is my bag? Do I have my keys? These are simple, useful questions. You can use them many times a day. I remember one trick I used. I made a morning talk. I said, "Good morning. I feel happy today. I will go to the market. I will buy eggs and milk." It felt fun. You can do this too. Make a short story about your day in English. Let's try it. Today is Monday. I go to work. I take the bus. I meet my friend. You don't need hard words. Just say what you do. That's how you grow. Also talk about feelings. Say, I feel good. I am tired. I am hungry. These words help you speak like real people. We talk about feelings every day. You should do it too. Do you want to practice writing? Great. Write one sentence in English every day. What did you do today? Write it down. I cooked soup. I watched a video. Then read the sentence out loud. This way you practice writing, reading, and speaking. When you do housework, speak in English. Say, I sweep the floor. I wash the dishes. I fold my clothes. These actions become lessons. You learn without stress. There are so many chances to use English in daily life. You just need to see them. Say the name of food when you eat. This is rice. This is fish. Say what you do. I eat. I drink. I sleep. You can even talk to your pet. Say, hello, cat. Do you want food? It may sound silly, but it works. Speaking English helps you get better every day. So let's do it. Let's speak during the day. From morning to night. When you wake up, when you eat, when you rest. Use simple words, ask easy questions, make short answers. Remember, every word helps, every sentence is a step. You are learning, you are growing, keep going. You are doing great. Confidence is very important when you learn English. You may feel shy or afraid, but you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. Everyone starts small. I started small too. I said one word, then two, then one sentence. That is how we grow. Start with what you know. You can say, my name is Anna. You can say, I like apples. These are easy, but they are strong steps. Speak them with a smile. Say them out loud. Repeat them every day. When you look in the mirror, talk to yourself. You can say, hello, how are you today? Then answer, I am good. I will learn English today. This is a great way to practice. It also helps you feel more sure about yourself. Did you make a mistake? That's okay. Mistakes are good. They show that you are learning. Don't stop. Keep going. Ask questions like, where is my pen? Or what do I need? Simple questions help your brain work in English. Do small speaking challenges. For example, tell a story about your day in 3 short sentences. I woke up, I ate breakfast, I went outside. This helps you practice and feel proud. You might ask, should I speak more? Yes, you should. The more you speak, the more you learn. You can also play a game with yourself. Ask, what is red in my room? Then answer, my book is red. These fun questions make learning interesting. Learning should not be boring. It should be happy. Let's talk about goals. Set a small goal every day. Today, say 5 sentences. Tomorrow, learn 3 new words, write them down, use them, say them, review them. You will feel good when you reach your goals. Sometimes we feel tired. That's normal. Take a break, then come back. Don't give up. You can learn English. You will speak well one day. Just be patient. You might wonder, when will I be good at English? It might take time. But every day you are closer. You might not feel it now, but later you will say, I did it. There are many ways to grow. Listen to your voice. Speak with love and care. Be kind to yourself. Celebrate your progress. So let's speak now. Let's not wait. Say one word. Say one sentence. Then say another. You can speak English. You can grow. You can shine. Let's do it together. Let's speak with joy. Step by step, word by word, you will be confident. You will be strong. Let's begin now.